Heavenly?
Yeah.
All right.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel.
Our channel.
It's me and my mom's.
Today it's just Heavenly and I. We are making
Cupcakes.
Yeah, Heavenly wants to make a
Miss Cupcakes.
Christmas cupcake.
They're gonna be big.
Yep. It's not Christmas Day. It's not Christmas time. But Heavenly decided to make a Christmas cake. So why not? All right.
And kids.
So okay.
Even I don't even want my plane.
Apron.
Apron.
Oh. Apron አለበስኩም ዛሬ.
Yeah. You remember I was making a video? It was about my favorite color cake, pink.
Yes, she.
Going the whole wide world.
Why not? We're gonna make cupcake and cake for the people all over the world. Why not? That's a nice thing to do.
Mhm.
Yeah.
It's like we deliver a pizza.
Yes, it's like how they deliver you pizza. Boom! It's that easy.
And we can we drive the car, Dad, and then we give them it.
Yeah. You are so nice, Have.
And they'll say thank you. Go on this.
በመጀመሪያ የደረቁን ኢንግሪዲየንት ወይም ደግሞ ውህድ ሚክስ እናደርጋለን። አዎ በቃ አሁን ጨምሪ ደረቁን። You ready, Have?
Yeah.
Say stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
አብራችሁን ቆዩ። ወደ ቪዲዮ ተከታተሉ። እወዳችኋለሁ። Okay. It says 1 cup of sugar and a cup ስኳር ከታች
We have to put in this.
Oh.
We have to put in this.
1 cup of sugar.
And
Yes. Good job. We already put 2 cups of flour. So we have the flour there. And so we're mixing the dry. ደረቅ የሆኑትን ውህዶች ነው አሁን ሚክስ የምናደርገው። Mix. 2 hand, please. 1 hand holding the ball. Bandages. Yeah. Hold አድርጊው. Good job.
wait. It's kind of pushing me out.
Yeah, here. I will give you a little more room. Mix.
The sound going away.
Good job, Have. Mix it.
It looks beautiful because of the salt.
Yeah. Mix. Okay. 2 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar. Already ሁለት ኩባያ የሆነ ዱቄትና አንድ ስኳር ጨምረናል። አሁን ደግሞ that one is 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and 1.5 teaspoon baking powder.
This
Yeah. Good job, Have. Mix. Mix. She loves cooking and baking.
Oh, I love chocolate.
She loves chocolate too. Okay, mix. Okay. Now it says we have to put 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt. ጨው 1/4 የሆነ ቲስፑን ጨው ያ የአንድ የሻይ ማንኪያ ሩብ ማለት ነው። አዎ ጎበዝ ልጅ mix. Remember, you gotta hold the bowl one hand. አዎ ቶሎ በይ እንደዚህ አድርገሽ ያዛርገሽ mix. You need mommy's help?
No.
I think you got it, huh? Okay. Next. Now we're gonna do the wet ingredient. Can you put that on the side? I'll get this for you.
I'm strong.
Yeah. You just move it to the side. We're gonna do the wet ingredient. For the wet ingredient, you need
Butter.
Good job. Yeah, you need the butter.
Milk. Sour whipped cream.
Yep. Vanilla extract. And then egg. So all we need is all this 5 ingredients for the wet. እኛው በቃ እርጥብ የሆነው ማለት ነው። ቂቤ፣ ወተት፣ የሳወር ክሬሙ እንደ እርጎ የሚመስለው ማለት ነው
I'm just gonna
እና እንቁላልና ይሄ ደግሞ ቫኒላ oh you gotta mix the butter first mix it
I know.
okay you gotta mix it mix it well the egg
I want to do it.
I will show them this trick how to get it out of the so it says to only use the egg white so to use the egg white what we're gonna do እዚህ ጋር እንደዚህ እናደርግና አድርገን ይሄን ቀስ አድርገን እናወጣዋለን so
Hello everybody, welcome back.
it's ready
Yeah.
yeah she is going to put
Deco.
yeah go ahead decorate it and I'll get you a plate to put one for yourself
I know. I'm gonna decorate all of it.
yeah for you you have to do the whipping first so you put this right there and do the whipping first you can decorate one of those
I'm even gonna buy sprinkles. Christmas sprinkles. Oh, that won't work.
Or decorate yours first. So this is how it turned out. Bum, yummy cupcakes. And Heavenly likes a whipping cream. Yep, as you can see. More colorful we have. More. Whoa. Put that on. Wait. Hold it, please, and put that on top. Look at that, Have.
Maybe Cleo and Dad want this. I'll give him like Cleo to breakfast. This is how we do now.
Yeah, show them. Boom.